What's up everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to activate cheat codes in the mobile version of Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. First, launch the game and load into any saved session. Once your character is in-game, tap the minimap located in the upper left corner of the screen to open the pause menu. From there, select Options. After entering the settings menu, look along the tabs at the top and scroll across until you find Accessibility. Open that section. Inside the Accessibility menu, scroll down and you'll notice a feature labeled Enter Cheat Code. Tap on it, and a text box will appear on your screen. Now simply type the cheat code you want to use into the box and press OK. As soon as you confirm it, the cheat will instantly become active in the game. And that's all there is to it. That's the fastest way to enable cheat codes on the mobile edition of San Andreas.